In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Disney Plus on any smart TV, no matter the brand. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Use your remote to go to the home screen or app menu. Step 2. Open the App Store. Depending on your TV brand. Samsung, open the Samsung Smart Hub. LG, open the LG Content Store. Android TV, Sony, TCL, Hisense, open the Google Play Store. Fire TV, use the Amazon App Store. Roku TV, go to Streaming Channels, search channels. Step 3. Search for Disney Plus. Use the remote to type Disney Plus in the search bar. When the Disney Plus app appears, select it. Step 4. Download and install. Click on Install or Download. Wait for it to install. This usually takes a few seconds. Step 5. Open and sign in. Launch the Disney Plus app. Log in with your Disney Plus account. If you don't have one, you can sign up at disneyplus.com. Bonus tip. If your TV doesn't support Disney Plus, you can use devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, Google Chromecast. Just plug it in, install Disney Plus, and start streaming. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.